Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are well and I hope you are still enjoying your holidays. And today I'm going to show you how I take care of myself. They call it self-care. The most simplest way. I don't believe in complicating anything at all, from skin to money to whatever. Can we do it the simpler way? Yeah. Okay, so let me show you what I do to take care of my face especially. I'm using this mask. They are very affordable. It's 10 rand, some they're even 3 rand. I am doing dermaplaning. So dermaplaning is basically you removing the facial hair and some dead skin. You don't do it every day, guys. You only do it, once in a while, maybe in 2 weeks or once in a month. This is so good, and you can do it at home. You just have to be very careful. Use a tweezer. Don't use that small razor because it can cut you. It's too short. So use a tweezer and remove the facial hairs. And as you can see on my forehead, I have some pimples because I've been poking. After I poke, another one comes, But after I did this, guys, I'm telling you, no pimple is resurrecting. Obviously, I'm gonna remain with dark spots, but I'm not gonna have lots and lots of pimples coming up every day after this treatment. And please remember your neck. So this is how my skin came out. Next, I'm doing my lashes. These are cluster lashes. Anyone can do, but obviously you have to take time to learn because I wanted to feel beautiful. So I wanted to do something extra with my face. And this is how they came out. Next, we are unboxing the star of the show. Guys, I ordered hair for the first time from AliExpress from this store called Show Hair. They are amazing. I am going to tag them, and I'm also going to give you my promo code so that when you purchase your hair for the first time, you get a discount. So guys, I ordered this hair on the 13th of December and I received my hair on the 21st. So it only took 9 days for me to receive my hair from China to South Africa. And guys, the seller was making sure that I'm rest assured I am going to receive my hair. Every day they were texting me, letting me know that don't worry, your hair is gonna come, and it arrived. And guys, this hair is amazing so far because it's still new. So I think I'll give a review maybe after 2 months or 3 months. You'll see me with this hair and I'll tell you how it's treating me. Also, I did not want to go to the salon and install this hair because I am starting with the wig influencing. So I want to make sure that I learn all the tricks and tips so that I can make a successful wig installer or wig installer tech. I don't know. And I already made a mess. I was not supposed to cut that wig cap like that, but there's a chance I can redeem it, Like I said, there's a room for learning. There's a room to learn something new, and don't be afraid to fail in public because I could have edited that thing out. I wanted to show you that even when you are failing, you can still show up and you can redeem yourself, and you don't have to be ashamed of failing. Next time I'm gonna get it right, and next time you're gonna even enjoy my wig install. Okay, back to other important thing that I wanted to share with you. So before I was doing this install on this day, I was looking back and being so grateful to God of my journey, of how far I've come this year only with my content creation journey. And guys, you might take those smallanyana achievements for granted, but let me tell you, they make a huge difference for someone who has been feeling stuck for years. And when I see myself right now, I have improved in so many ways, content creation wise. my personal life, I have grown so much, and I was taking time just to record and to thank God, to write down all the miracles that happened for me when I started this content creation, So yes, we are still continuing. Look at the quality of the hair. Yeah, and let me tell you guys, I started taking content creation very serious and becoming intentional about it in October. And let me tell you, within weeks, Facebook, I'm not lying, guys. If you want me to make a video of how Facebook monetizes, and if you want to monetize on Facebook, you can just let me know in the comment section and I'll make that video for you. I got monetized by Facebook the very same month I decided to be intentional about content. I got monetized so quick. The growth was drastic. I gained thousands, more than 5,000 followers on Facebook, and I even got monetized. I didn't even know that Facebook can monetize creators. I didn't know, really. I don't wanna lie. And I'm really taking it very serious going forward. So I was strategizing, but before strategizing, I wanted to thank God first. And so if you want to do something in life, I just know that you can. You can do it. You can achieve it. You just have to be strategic. You have to trust that you can do it. You have to believe in yourself. You have to believe in yourself. And for the longest time, I have been undermining myself. I have been thinking that I won't stand out. I'm not really that excellent. There are already a lot of people doing what I want to do. Will I make money with it? But let me tell you, the time I decided to be intentional about it, I just focused on my journey, and I saw how I am improving, and I saw how closer and closer I am getting to my dreams. Because if you don't start doing anything towards your dream, it's gonna feel like it's far. But anytime you decide to be intentional about it and start doing something about it, taking those small steps, improving here and there, your dream is becoming closer and closer. You are smelling it. It's just around the corner, and it's just a matter of a small miracle happening, and your life will change just because you started. So don't be afraid to start. Take it from me, don't be afraid. Okay guys, tell me your thoughts about my first installation, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.